Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. So if you've ever received the error message, the app you're trying to install isn't a Microsoft verified app, we're going to show you guys just how to fix that in this video, specifically for Windows 10. If you want to see the Windows 11 variant of this video, click the link right here. Now before we jump in, if you're interested in your own copy of Windows or other Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll have links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I am currently running Windows 11. However, this video is made specifically for Windows 10, so the steps that we're going to follow are going to be exactly identical on Windows 10. So the first thing I want to do is open up my file browser. And I'm going to try to install Chrome, which I just downloaded. Alright, so we'll open up the Chrome setup button. And as you can see, it says we suggest you get a Microsoft verified app. In your case on Windows 10, it will say something very similar, but it won't be quite verbatim. So all we need to do is click our Start menu and then open our settings. And then on Windows 10, just going to the apps part of the navigation menu will give you this setting at the very top. And this says choose where to get apps. And then we can just set this instead of the Microsoft Store only. We just want to change it to anywhere or anywhere, but let me know if there's a comparable app. You can select whichever one best suits your needs right here. I'll go ahead and set anywhere, and we can go ahead and close this. Now going back into the Google Chrome, I can run this again. And then I'll select yes here, and there we go. It is bringing up the setup wizard for Google Chrome, and we have successfully gotten past that error message. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions about any of this, drop those in the comment section below, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Again, if you're interested in genuine Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll have links in the description box below. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.